Master, yet my life never changes.
Perhaps your cup is already full.
I've read hundreds of books, watched endless lessons, but peace still escapes me. Then let us have some tea.
Without a word, the master poured tea until the cup was completely full.
Master, stop! The cup is overflowing!
Exactly. Just like this cup, your mind is already full. A mind filled with certainty has no room for wisdom.
I never thought of it that way.
The strongest tree bends with the wind. The deepest river makes the least noise.
Master, what is the first step toward wisdom?
Replace the words I already know with "teach me." Remember, knowledge can fill your mind, but only humility can open your heart.